Okay, so git scan repositories. List of paths to search for Git repositories in. Now, unfortunately, this setting doesn't say so, but these paths are actually relative to your workspace. So you can save a workspace file, right? And you would have that .code workspace file saved, and the path needs to be relative to that. But if you only open one repository, this serves as your workspace as well. So if we go onto the Git tab, you only see source control for this repository. And if we want to add another one, so this is that repo, and let's say we want to add this one, it's no use to do something like this. This will now work, adding the full path of another repository. It's not going to show up here. But if you add the relative path, then it will. Or it should. Okay, maybe I need to reload the window. So it doesn't load, right? But now, if we add the relative path and reload, there we go. Now we have the other repo here, right? Whoops. Let me switch that around. We have both repos here. This is not too useful for me. I would rather just open the repository itself, just add another folder to workspace and have that here. But I guess that if you have a workspace in which you save all your repositories and you want to add some other repository, you want to scan that repo but you don't want to open the files, you could add it here. I'm not seeing the use case for this, but I'm sure there's one. Anyway, this is what this feature does. Remember, the path is relative, and that's gonna work. Oh, and you need to reload. Don't forget that as well.